some more updates to our image book generator, which generates coloring books, mandala books, etc. We've made a new update where when you create images in bulk, you can then approve them by pressing the approve button like you see over here. And then when you press approve, it removes the image from the list. So once you approve the images, you're then hiding them, and then it's just more organized way of making sure you have the right images. Once you click approve to all of them, then you are then ready to start processing the images. And to do that, you click on prepare images. Once you've prepared all your images, you can then click this button, which will compile the book. And the reason why we've done it this way is so that it will work much more quicker. You prepare the images first and then compile the book in one click. We've also added new functionality where you can add a page name above each image. So it will add titles above the image so the user can know what image they're dealing with. And due to a request, we've added page breaks after each image because it's well known in the coloring book industry that people prefer to have a blank page behind each image. So if you switch that on, you'll have a page break after each image. An introduction page can be created by pressing this button here. This will create an introduction for your coloring book. If you want to regenerate, you just press it again and it will regenerate the page. You can always change the name of your book here, and depending on the name of your book and the contents of the book, this intro will be created perfectly for the front page. Once all the images are prepared as written here, you can click compile here and this will create your entire coloring book. So let's try that now. So here we go. Already we've got to see the title of the name of the puppy. This will also allow you to create a table of contents because this over here is actually an H2 tag, which means it will be seen by Microsoft Word as a new paragraph. So as you can see, it's working much more quickly than before because of the new recent updates. So thank you for watching. This was Generate.net, and bye for now.